What's the crack, guys? It's Mark here from Retrophonic Media, and today I'm going to show you how to create a cinematic boom effect inside of Fruity Loops. As always, this is quick and simple, so let's get it done. So before I do anything, I'm going to show you the end result, which is this. So as you can imagine, you hear these sort of sounds in sci-fi and kind of blockbuster action movies all the time, and yeah, it's just a good tool to have in those sort of things, but it's very easy to make. All I've done is combined a sine wave synth. So I have it on sine triangle here in massive with the wavetable to the left, intensity to 100 and the amp to 100. And then what I did then is I moved the pitch wheel here, went to tools, last tweaked and create automation clip. And what that did then is it gave me an automation clip to play with inside of the playlist. And I set it from 53 going down to 34. And also as well, the note that I have it on is just C4 and it lasts for 8 bars. And when you mess with the pitch automation like that, it makes it sound like this, which is what we're going for. That's the boom drop effect that we're looking for. And as well as that, I just have one kick going just to add a bit more punch to it. Beyond that then, I have two different effects. One is this. Just some sort of white noise distortion kind of moving off in the distance with a bit of reverb. And the second one is this. I'll play that again. Sort of sci-fi sweeping beeps falling down the way. And the only last thing you really need to do then, well, two things really. One that I did is I created an automation clip for the volume on the cinematic drop. And in the playlist, you can see it here. I have it moving from 50 to 74. And the reason I did that is because at the start it's quite loud, and then as it gets to the lower part, once it's finished dropping, it gets a bit quieter. So this kind of helps fix that problem. Evens them out a bit. And then I just added in these two effects. And the final thing I did is I routed all of these over to a giant reverb, which in Epic Verb, the preset I used was XL abnormally large, and I sent them over by 30%, 34, 25, and 25. And once I got all the volumes right in the mixer, then the end result sounded like this. So the sample itself really finishes kind of around here, like 3.5 bars, but I've left a giant tail there because if you export this as a sample, the person who is working to implement this into a video or a movie or anything like that will be grateful that they have a large tail to work with, because it just makes it easier for them. There's not a harsh cut at the end. The entire waveform is allowed to finish, which is the way you should be doing things. So thanks very much for watching. If you have any recommendations for any topics you would like to see me cover, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, please make sure to like and subscribe for more, and you can make contact with me at retrophonicmedia.com.